Weekly Walk viewers, happy Wednesday. I know what you're thinking. And yes, this Weekly Walk coming to you live from Denver, Colorado does in fact go against my 2023
snow in the air
resolutions of no winter weekly walks in cold weather climates. But for this guy, I decided to make an exception because not only does he work for one of our portfolio companies, also happens to be my brother. So I figured if there was anyone I would break my resolution for, it would be him.
And
so,
I appreciate that so much.
I'm a very selfless,
very nice.
I'm a selfless sister. We could do a whole weekly walk on my selflessness as a sister, but we will focus on Alex Renner, project manager for implementations at Paperless Parts.
Nailed it. Yeah.
Welcome to the Weekly Walk.
It's crazy to be here.
I know, he's made it in tech when he's made it to a weekly walk. So you've been at Paperless almost a year.
Yep.
You've survived this far.
Yep.
I know firsthand that you are super passionate about this product, but can you tell everyone a little bit more about it and what makes you so passionate?
Yeah, absolutely. So Paperless Parts provides a quoting solution for manufacturers. It's really by manufacturers for manufacturers. And what we enable our customers to do is quote more efficiently, faster, more accurately with less resources while doing it, and enable speed to quote all at the same time. And so what makes me so passionate about the platform and the company overall is just the fact that it's solving true pain points for our customers. I've been on the other side of that fence, and manufacturing is generally such a continuous improvement, process focused industry. And a lot of times we're so focused on the products we're making, and we're not really looking at the tools that we use to enable making the products that we're shipping to our customers. So it's been overlooked, and just living through some of those pain points, I would have bought it if I could have at my last job.
That's awesome. And then, implementations. Tell us, why is that so near and dear to your heart? Why do you love kind of getting to do that on a day-to-day basis?
Yeah. So what makes me tick from an implementation standpoint is just really when you're able to connect a customer's dreams, and you're able to show a customer something in the platform and their eyes light up because you can tell that they're thinking about how they can use this feature to better their business. And I love being able to connect those dots for our customers and make sure that they're getting everything that they could out of the platform.
Yeah, especially for customers who don't historically use tech in their industry as well. So it's kind of a 2 for 2. We actually, you know what? This is the first weekly walk I've also done, I think, with someone who does implementations. So
cool.
Maybe we're missing a whole segment here because it's really important for the customer.
Should get more implementation
people. If you're out there, give me a call. And last question for you. You've also been in Denver about a year.
Yeah.
What has become your favorite Denver activity?
So I don't know if it's necessarily a Denver activity, but definitely enjoying the snow this season. As you can see, we're getting a little bit of it. So yeah, I've had an awesome ski season so far, and some of my favorite Denver activities or winter activities have been skiing Copper and then going and hitting Outer Range Brewery, one of my faves in the state.
Which he took me to both Copper and Outer Range. So I don't know if that makes me like a local Denver person or
mountain person,
but I don't know if I'll be back while there's still snow on the ground, but maybe when it's warm. So Alex, thank you for walking with me and sharing more about Paperless and implementations. And Weekly Walk viewers, we will hopefully see you in a warmer climate soon. Bye guys.